it's Science Friday again, and today we're making a homemade lava lamp, which has to do with chemical reactions and density. And it's super easy and expensive. I keep trying to do these easy ones for you. All you need is some food coloring, vegetable oil, water, and these little Alka-Seltzer tabs. Okay, and that's all you need. So we already dyed our water. While I'm talking, I'm going to pour the vegetable oil in. It's going to need to settle for a minute. So as you see, the water is more dense or denser than the oil, and the oil is less dense, so it's going to float on top. So that has to do with density. So every object has density, and to figure out average density, you take the total mass of an object and divide it by its volume. We're not doing any mathematical equations here today. We're just making a homemade lava lamp. But so you can see it settles out pretty fast. So the water is mostly on the bottom. There is a little bit of bubbles stuck on the top. So we're just going to go ahead and do this. So we have these Alka-Seltzer tablets. And what's going to happen is I'm going to add this. The Alka-Seltzer will drop to the bottom, and it's going to react with the water, and it's going to create carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is less dense than water and the vegetable oil, and it's going to make these bubbles come. And then when the bubbles pop, then it's going to sink back down to the bottom. So let's do this. Here we go. So let's see. It's going to take a second for it to dissolve. Here we go. It's going to get going. Let me add another one. There we go. They have to be powerful enough to break that surface between the oil and the water. But there you go. Look, you have your own little lava lamp. I'm only cutting little pieces. If you put in a whole tablet, it would really, really go. I'm going to put one more in. Let's see. That's really going to get it going. Okay, so this is fun to watch. This will last for several minutes. If you put this in a glass jar with the top or an old water bottle, make sure you leave the top off until the reaction is completely done. And then you can keep the water and oil. You can even add glitter to it. And then you can shake it up. A lot of times, sometimes if you have little kids, you can use it as a timeout tool for they can have their timeout until the oil and the water separates, and then that's how they know they can get out of their timeout. But it's also a good relaxing, de-stressing tool. So you can use it for that. But this is a really fun, inexpensive experiment. It's still going. So I hope you enjoy it. Everybody have a good Friday. See you next week.